In today's video, I will show you how to switch between Classic and New Outlook in Microsoft Outlook. First, open Outlook in your browser and make sure your mailbox is loaded. Once you're inside, look at the top right corner of the screen. Now click on the small arrow or layout icon near the toolbar. This opens the Quick Display settings for Outlook. From the menu, click on View. This section controls how your inbox and toolbar are displayed. Inside the View options, select Ribbon. Here you will find the settings for changing how the top menu looks. Now choose between Simplified Ribbon and Classic Ribbon. The Simplified Ribbon gives you a clean, minimal toolbar, while the Classic Ribbon shows more buttons and full options at the top. As soon as you select an option, Outlook will instantly update the layout without changing your emails or settings. If you want to switch back, just repeat the same steps and choose the other ribbon style. That's it. Now you know how to switch between Classic and New Outlook view easily. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.